tapping on the menu on the top left-hand corner of the GuardsPro mobile app, you can select another company, update settings, manage license, access the support center, chat and email GuardsPro support, and offer feedback on the GuardsPro Guard mobile app. Let's quickly go over these features of the GuardsPro mobile app to see how it works. Select Company enables you to switch between different companies, as well as join others by entering the invite code. Next on the menu we have Settings. It includes Appearance, Notification Settings, Change Time Format, Passcode, and Fingerprint. Appearance will allow you to choose from 3 different modes: System, Light, and Dark. Notification settings can be enabled or disabled as per your preference to receive or not to receive notifications. Change Time Format allows you to enable or disable the 24 hours time format. Lastly, Passcode and Fingerprint allows you to enable or disable passcode lock. When you come outside on the main menu, you will see Manage Licenses. You can add multiple licenses one at a time with details and an image by tapping on the plus sign. All the licenses saved are visible as a list under this page. Further, tap on them to edit or delete it. Next, the Support Center contains all the articles you'll ever need to do your job using the GuardsPro mobile app. In the last few sections, you can have the option to chat or email GuardsPro support, share feedback on the mobile app, know more about GuardsPro, and log out of the app when needed. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team at any time.